Hey guys, so how do you sell on TikTok Shop? So it's really easy and really convenient as well. So I need you to open your shop first, TikTok Shop seller login right here, and you're going to be able to log in your account. And let's just go ahead with the tutorial. Once we get inside here, just take a feel of the area here so you won't get lost in the vastness of these options. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into it. It's a very simple and easy platform over here before you get efficient at it. And don't worry, over time, we'll just go ahead. So there are a bunch of options here, but if you want to sell, you're going to click products and let's wait for it. Manage products. As you can see, I've set it out a sample here. Well, this account is mainly for sample, for informational and for educational purposes only. So now that you're here on the add new product, go ahead and write out your product name. Like, for example, by the way, you need to exceed at least 25 characters in order for this to work. And now, wait, let's just make sure for this. Yeah, more than 25, guys. That's the most important thing. Setting out the name. Now, the category, of course, is sports and outdoors. Because our name here is boxing gloves. Yeah. Let's just search boxing instead. Let's click here. And, let's see. Okay. This is a freshly new account set up, by the way, so we're starting really fresh. So the brand here is Venom, and well, you scroll down a little bit and you fill up this information right here, the warranty type, and yeah, just go ahead here. Warranty type and warranty duration. Just fill all this up. Country of origin, I believe, is it the United States? The country of origin in this one. No, I believe that this is. I'm having a little bit of trouble here. Oh, just search automatic, so it's Taiwan. And yeah, let's just go through this step by step. The length, the diameter, you fill all this up. Fill all of these up. Numbers. And now, just click here. Scroll a little bit down. A little bit down. And we get to upload photos of your products. So again, this is very crucial. And just click here. So once you click that, you press local file, and you could upload whatever file you want there, like this example of boxing gloves. Now scroll down and you'll get this prompt right here where you discuss and advertise trying to sell your product basically. Now add price. You can install the price here. Let's say 40. Wait a minute. Okay. The quantity, how many do you have? This is the stock here. Scroll down. Really is the product, you're really describing the product here. That's why it takes all these informations in. It takes a little bit long time, so don't worry, just follow me through this step by step. Here's the dimensions, like whatever product it is. It is really once you're selling, it's really, this is one of the hassles you have to go through, but this is made quicker to this. Oh, and also click here to finally upload the product. let's go to shipping orders. The taxes are going to be based on what carrier you're going to be using here, like UPS, USPS, and it all depends. So just click either one of them and it'll be your default carrier system. Now, how do you withdraw from your orders? Here you go, just click here, withdrawals, and you can see here I blurred out some infos here just for safety purposes. Auto withdrawals, if you don't have any bank account, you go ahead and add a bank account, and go ahead and put your password, input your bank account method, payout method. Once you auto pay, it'll automatically, just transfer directly to your account. It'll take a couple of days though, but that's fine. Here's the number, and I blurred it out because YouTube just recently restricted a couple of things when informations are laid out like this. So let's just blur it out. This is just my email and my bank account. Just go ahead and press continue after this, and that'll add your bank account right there. So going back to our withdrawals here, once it's all set, you'll receive the payments directly to your bank account. Now let's talk about affiliate homepage. Like affiliating, if you want to work with other creators and sell their product on retail, doing retail on their products. So I blurred out, of course, their faces here and their accounts. So these are one of the prominent and most popular at the moment business owners, e-commerce, and you're going to pick one of them here, and there's absolutely multiple ways to do this, to request an affiliation with their product. Now you could go ahead and click there's options here at the top, actually, Viber and email, and through this QR code right here, and especially in TikTok. Or you could just basically just send an invite and a message right there. Slowly taking time, blurring out the faces of these. I'm just using this for example, and right now you can just type in whatever it is you want to type, like, hello, would you like to affiliate this product, or just talk business. That's it, your proposal, and you guys will be chatting, and that's it. I'd like to know if you are interested in affiliate, and yeah, just go ahead and type whatever it is you want to type here. This is an example of an opener that most people actually use, is I have friends who actually use this stuff. I'm just doing this for educational purposes, so that's how you affiliate. So I hope this video has been educational recently, and thank you so much for watching. You guys have a nice day.